What's up, guys? We are here in JPM. We're doing the mini for Columbus. It fills the cup break. We got Mike on top and Mike on the bottom. So we're going to go down here and type in live. We are live at 6:34 p.m. It's right at 6:35 p.m. here in Denver. I'm going to go grab this list. Like I said, Mike on top, Mike on the bottom, Martin and Alexander in between. Get a fresh list. Mike on top, Mike on the bottom. Nothing in between. We're going to go 3 times. Timestamps after 2 and 3. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, Mike. Whoops. Don't want to copy the list. The Blues are about to make me croak right now. There we go. First time stamp is in at 6:35. It just turned 6:36. I'll get this to end in 6:36. All right, third and final time, everyone. Good luck. Mike, spot 7 with the sweep. And third and final. Let me get that. There you go. That was in at 6:36. Oops. It is 6:36. Again, Mike 3 times. Congrats.